Hey, welcome back to Rosco Reviews. On today's project, we have a washing machine shutoff valve that is dripping. These are where you hook the water up for your washing machine, and one of mine is dripping, so we're going to replace the valve on this. First thing you're going to want to do is shut off all the water, so we're going to turn off the water to this apartment. I have my new washing machine shut off, and I'll put a link for these in the description of the video down below. You can purchase these on Amazon, or they're available at any hardware store. They typically do come with this extra post on here, and we won't be needing that because we already have that part up in the wall on the inside. So I'll be removing that extra post, and we're just going to need the valve part. I will say when these come put together, they do take a bit of strength to break these apart because they put some Loctite or something on the threads of these, and they are difficult to break apart. So we'll take a couple of wrenches and a lot of muscle to get these apart. With the old valve, go ahead and open it up, make sure that it is off. Then it will take a couple of wrenches to remove. We're going to put one up on top, on this nut up on top, and then one around the valve itself and twist the valve off. So I'll put one wrench up here on top where there's a nut that it attaches to. And then I'm going to grab a hold of the valve itself with the other wrench. And try to twist the valve down. To make the valve a little bit easier to get to, you can remove the front plate of this. These pop right off, makes it a little bit easier to get to the valve. Once you get it loosened up enough, you can finish it off with your fingers. The new valve that I have is the blue one, and the one that I removed was the red one, so I will just have to go ahead and label these so that future residents know which is which, but I only had the blue. They do come in both colors. Before I add the new valve, I want to add some either thread tape or pipe paste. And we can screw the new valve in. When it starts to get tight, you'll need those wrenches again to spin it on the rest of the way. When you've got the valve on there pretty tight, if it's not lined up straight, you can turn the nut on top of here a little bit to try to get it lined up right. I've got mine on there tight now. We're going to want to make sure that everything is off, and we can go turn the water back on. With the water back on, we can look for leaks. I don't see any leaks anywhere on mine. So I will go ahead and put the cover back on. And then again, I'm going to have to come back and label mine cold and hot because I've now put two blue ones on there. But that shouldn't be a big deal. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.